Need to fix Gel app or website not working? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix it. First thing first, you have to check whether the server is down or not. Move into Safari and in the address bar, search for Gel outage. Head over to the very first site, click on it. In this page, you will be able to see whether the server of Gel is down or not. Right now, the server is not down. But for you, if it's the time where the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed, and then only you'll be good to go. If not, the next thing you can try doing is, let's say you're inside the Gel website. What you need to do is refresh the page or website. In order for that, swipe down the screen and it will refresh. If not, click on this icon. You need to head over to History, and then you need to clear all the history of Gel. Swipe left and click on this trash icon. Do the same process for all the website. Once done, now the next thing you can try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. Search for Gel. Search for the application Gel right over here. Once found, click on it. You have to make sure that the application is up to date. If not, you will see the option of update. Click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, try checking the internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to stable internet. If not, try using cellular data and you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.